Hello guys, my name is the Fishy Boy. As you guys noticed, I haven't been making videos for a while. That is because you guys haven't been viewing, liking, subscribing and commenting my videos. So this might be the last video I ever made. So please do all that and I'll make more videos. So today is gonna be a special one. Today, opening the game. I want you guys to buy this game. This game is called Just Craft. It has all the items in Minecraft. Yep, but not the 1.15 and 1.16 things, like the bees and the netherite. Yep. So, just buy this game. It's stuck in 1.14, but at least it's synced to Minecraft. The texture is different. Yeah, I know. You know why I equipped it with all these armors? Because dun dun dun! I made it my own. Today I'm gonna try to survive on this monster. So I'm gonna show you all the rooms and also where I should survive. Yeah, I don't know what the heck I created. See? Like an aeroplane, helicopter, dinosaur. Yep. Or lizard, I don't know. So I'm just gonna try to survive this. Wait, I forgot I have to turn to creative. Just wait, I have to turn to creative. I mean survival. Yeah, survival. Yo, I'm scared. I'm really scared. Be careful, my shield. So I don't want to fall down. Yep, these are the items. I don't know what are these. I think these are in Minecraft also. And no what are these. I just put them whatever. Okay, those are my doing things room. This is just a walking room. This is the death trap room. Oh, they want to kill me. I have trapdoor installed. They're dumb, huh? And that is my trap room. This is a random room. This is my other workroom and also the piloting room. I don't know why I put this here. Oh, I just go to creative. Just go to creative. And get myself some glass. No, not there. Yeah, here. Put the glass back and put back to survival. Okay, survival. Yep. This is my protecting room. Yeah, no, this is my other explosive room. And the other room, I forgot to close the door. I may not be surviving or be surviving. I don't know. I may not or may survive this. So this is my like protective, and I don't know. I just so many health possible. So I'm scared. I'm gonna try to survive. So where should I start surviving? Wait. I don't want to go to crazy. You see, is there any place to double bomb? Because I'm scared the bomb will fall down. Okay, give me some TNT. Okay, TNT. Yup, TNT. Oh. What should I do with this? Get out of the... Yeah. Yep. Come on here. Stand on it. Oh, this is gonna be so horrifying. If I don't make it out, then yeah, I don't know what to say. Hold my shield. Okay, start it. Ah! Hold them! Holy! What the heck is happening? What the heck? Why am I dying? What the heck? Go away, fire! What the? I cannot see anything! Stupid fire, go away! You're blocking the view! Wait. Whoa! What the heck? Let's turn to creative to see it everywhere. Oh wait. Wait. Yep. Creative. Holy, that's a big crater. Yep. My masterpiece has been destroyed. And also the villager houses. Sorry, villagers. But at least there's some house that survived. So I survived. How great! I think it's because I didn't kind of center off the bomb. That's why I didn't get killed. So I just say it counts. So that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like the video. Bye.